to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy C55 is tipped to launch as a new bargain class Android smartphone in 2024. The network has new details regarding the new class Samsung Galaxy C55 mobile phone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The Samsung Galaxy F54 launched as India's no-shake cam smartphone in 2024 and also as an alternative market version of the M54. Now their successors are projected to spin off again in 2024 with a new C-series variant. All three rumored smartphones are thought to have roughly the same specs, with the Wi-Fi 6 support included. Samsung has been doing some very interesting things with its mid-range Android smartphones, such as the Galaxy A54 5G as of late, not the least of which involves beefing it up with a larger battery and a 108 megapixel main camera sensor and selling it as the Galaxy M54 and Galaxy F54 in markets such as Pakistan and India respectively. Now, it is possible that the rumored next generation M55 is getting up more of the same exposure in 2024. Resource MySmartPrice to have found not merely the Galaxy M55 and its alternative persona the Galaxy F54 on the Wi-Fi 6 Alliance website, but their new counterpart the Samsung Galaxy C55 as well. The claim is mainly based on their model numbers. The SM-M55-6B discovered earlier for the Galaxy M55 with an SM-M55-6E DS variation. The new Galaxy F-series style SME55-6B DS identifier and the reasonably similar yet also completely novel SMC5560. Unfortunately, we only have the tenor details to go on. Unknown chipset, 12GB of RAM, 128, 256GB of storage, and a 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple camera. It appears that the battery will have a 5000 mAh capacity, the same as many other mid-rangers in the Galaxy family. They are all now listed on new Samsung smartphones capable of using Wi-Fi 6 adapter. May or may not vindicate other reports of the Samsung Galaxy M55's alleged SoC that run on Android operating system. It will be interesting to see if they also launch with something like the Galaxy A55's allegedly more chiseled design later this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.